I woke up like this. Bitch, I wish. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are doing something that I very rarely do here on my channel, and that is going to be a clothing haul plus try on. So you guys know, if you have been subscribed to me for a while, then you would know that I used to work with a company by the name of Shein. I used to do outfit of the days all the time and just show different cute outfits and things like that. Well, it's been a while since I have worked with them, and recently they reached out to me and they wanted to work with me again, so I got to pick out 6 different items from their site, and I'm going to show them to you guys today. One of them I'm actually wearing, and sorry if it looks a little bit dirty. I have been wearing this outfit for the past like 2-3 days, but we don't need to talk about it. If you guys want to see some cool, unique clothing items that I picked out, then go ahead and keep on watching and let's get started. The first item that I'm going to show you is the one that I am wearing, and this is actually a sweatpants suit set. So it comes with the cute little shirt right here. It's just like a black, red, and white little motif, and then the sweatpants are the exact same. You will see these better when I get to like the try-on portion. Right now I'm just kind of giving you like the rundown on the outfit, if that makes sense. So the sweatpants literally look the exact same as the shirt. It is so cute, and they have like this cute little tie, and I got sizes, I think X small. Oh my god, look at the foundation in my hair. Why am I so cringy? And the sizes that I got for both of these are X small. Now, keep in mind, I am very short. I'm only 4'6", 4'8", somewhere in between there. And I weigh about a little less than 90 pounds. So I'm very tiny. So usually when I go on these sites, I always get X small because I know they're guaranteed to fit me. If you are someone who is a little bit taller or a little bit bigger built, then just keep that in mind and make sure that you're paying attention to their size chart. So anyway, with that little disclaimer, let's continue. Really comfortable. Like I said, I've been wearing this for the past 2-3 days and I am obsessed with it. I like that it matches. It is really comfortable. It's not too heavy. It's not too light, so it keeps me at a really good temperature. Quality is really nice. If you see anything in this video that you are interested in, I will have links in the description box along with a coupon code right here on the screen so you guys can save some money. Like I said, I have tried Shein in the past, and I kid you not, I don't know what they did recently, but I feel like the quality of their items has gone up. Like, they're better quality from previous times that I've tried them. And another thing is that their shipping time was a lot quicker. Moving on to the next item, which is something that is so cozy, and a lot of you guys actually really liked it. I wore this sweater when I took Avril to go get pictures with Santa. If you guys follow my dog's Instagram, I posted a picture of it. Again, that link is also in the description box. And I picked out this sweater because I feel like I don't have very many items of clothing that are like appropriate to wear to like a casual setting, you know what I mean? A great majority of the clothes that I have are band tees or movie tees. I don't really have anything that looks nice, I guess you could say. And I saw this and I was like, okay, not only does that look nice, but it also looks really comfortable. And a lot of you guys also really liked this as well. And it is this beautiful brown knit sweater right here. This is kind of like a see-through-ish type material, so you'd want to wear like some sort of tank top or shirt underneath it. I mean, honestly, you could probably get away with wearing nothing underneath it. You can't really see through it that much, but I loved this because, one, the color is very unique, something that I don't already own, you know what I'm saying? And it's just, it is so freaking comfortable. I'm obsessed with it, and it's really warm. Like, I was able to wear this without my winter coat, and that says a lot. I live in Michigan. It gets cold here. The winters are brutal here. The next item is probably one of my favorites, and I actually wore this recently to a Chevelle concert, and let me tell you, I was obsessed with this jacket. And it is this beautiful, I believe it is faux leather. I think it's faux leather. It is this beautiful red burgundy kind of faux leather jacket. It is so freaking cute. I did get the size small for it, and it's almost like a cropped leather jacket. Like when you wear it, you can kind of see a little bit of your belly, and this is adorable. I was obsessed with this when I tried it on, and I was like, yep, I'm wearing this to the concert. You have some pockets that are unfortunately not real. They are just for look, I guess, which I do wish that the pockets were real. Another really cool thing about it is you can actually wash this, which I usually always like to wash new clothes when I get them. That's just me. And I was actually able to wash this just fine, and it is in like perfect condition. It kind of has that like worn look to it, and I have a ton of like black leather jackets, but this one is such a unique color, and I'm obsessed with that. The next item is this cute, adorable, sexy little set, and I have worn the shirt to this outfit, and again, it is so cute. I cannot wait to show you guys what the full outfit looks like on, but it is this beautiful crop top right here, and then the bottom is actually like a knitted skirt type material. Here is what that looks like. This is so sexy. It's kind of like a black pencil skirt look to it, and again, I'm going to show you what this full outfit looks like on, because you probably can't really get a good idea of what it looks like right now, but seriously, this outfit with some heels and this jacket, can we just talk about it? It is really, really comfortable. Again, I got X small in both of these because I am very, very tiny. But regardless of all of that, this is such a cute outfit. And when you guys see this on, yes, just yes. And then the next two things I got are just kind of like basics. This is one of the first things I picked out because I was so obsessed with it, and it's just this cute, simple little camo t-shirt. This would actually look really nice with the makeup that I'm wearing today. This is just a nice, simple t-shirt. It is camo, of course. It has the little cutouts on the shoulders so you can kind of peek a little bit of skin. And on the bottom, which is what kind of caught my eyes, it has this little kind of tie right here, so you can tie a cute little bow, and you can maybe kind of expose a little bit of your stomach. I don't know. I thought this was really cute. Again, this is in the size X small. And then the last thing I'm going to show you before we get into the little try-on part of this video is this really cool kind of like sweater t-shirt. And I don't know where or when I'm going to wear this, but it was one of those things that I saw, and I kept scrolling, and I was like, but I couldn't stop thinking about it. So I was just like, you know what, fuck it. I don't have anything else like it. I'm just going to get it. And when I got it, I actually really like it. And it is this kind of long sleeved shirt, and it has the king from like a deck of cards on it. I don't even know what I was so drawn to about this, but I just really like it. Like, it's just kind of cool to wear with like leggings, or to wear to bed, or to wear it out, you know, however bold you're feeling in that moment in time. I love this. And it's also like on the sleeves as well. Super cool and unique. I don't know, you guys. I really, really like this. And the back of it is just a plain black shirt, and the designs are all on the front. I do think it's kind of cool that he's holding a coffee cup. I think that's another reason why I was so drawn to it. It's like, oh, he's holding a coffee cup. Like, he's my bro. And again, this isn't like a sweater material. It is more of like a t-shirt feeling type vibe to it. It's going to be a little bit baggy on me. What size did I get? I did get the size X small, and I can just tell already that it is going to be a little bit longer and a little bit baggier, but that's okay with me because I am not someone who wears very like tight-fitting clothing all the time. I'm very much someone who wears a lot of baggy stuff. So that is everything that I got. We are now going to try on each of these items so you guys can see what they look like on. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to go down and give this video a huge thumbs up. If you are new to my channel and this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, I just want to welcome you. Make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. Also, don't forget to check the description box for links to these items and also a coupon code as well that you can use at checkout. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye! Those medical pills all push me over. I kill my filthy
These ethanol fuels won't make me sober. One flame to take the pain away. I caught you lighting matches in the back room. Haters look mad when they pass you. Let's talk about round when it's past due. Reach a glass to know you don't gotta fight alone. You don't gotta fight alone. Don't be so personal. Everyone's seen death in their dreams, but we still wake up and go to sleep. Everyone's seen death in their dreams, but we still wake up from